A fundamental secret lies behind how YouTube arranges your videos analytics. Watch and you will see the views come first, followed by watch time, subscribers, and revenue. YouTube made this arrangement in order of their importance. The higher tabs are arranged in the same order too: reach, engagement, audience, and the revenue tab, that is if you are monetized. What this means is that reaching out to your audience takes priority. And the only way your videos can reach your audience is through their title and thumbnail. And your videos can only gain engagement when they are clicked and viewed. You get your audience to subscribe only when your videos get clicked, viewed, and enjoyed. Achieving all this brings in revenue. From this arrangement, you understand that the thumbnail is the most important because it is the first thing your audience will see and click. And you can only know your thumbnail performs very well when the click-through rate is high. So I'm going to explain what a good click-through rate is in this video. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome, and to my valuable subscribers, welcome back. I do share tips and tutorials for content creators on this channel, so consider subscribing if you love this type of content. Depending on the volume of the video's impression, if the click-through rate is less than 2%, then you need to work on the video's title and, more importantly, the thumbnail. On a closer look, each time you upload a video that is peculiar to your niche, you will notice that the click-through rate goes up. This is because the newly uploaded video is first seen by your subscribers and those that have watched your video recently. In most cases, this set of viewers will click and watch your video out of loyalty and familiarity, which will lead to a high click-through rate in the early hours and days of the video. But when YouTube starts recommending the video to others outside your subscriber base, that is when the actual test of your title and thumbnail begins. Let's say YouTube recommends the video to 10,000 people and only 50 people click to watch. In no time, YouTube will stop recommending the video to new viewers unless something changes. So a tip here is that your thumbnail should tell what your video is all about without reading the title. So when creating a thumbnail, have this in mind. A click-through rate between 3 to 5% is moderate. Between 6 to 9% is great. If the impression of the video is not coming down and the video has a double-digit click-through rate like 10% and above, there's a good chance that the video will be a viral one based on the size of your channel. But if the click-through rate drops to below 2% and the impression is going down too, the situation is critical. So in this case, change your thumbnail to a catchy one, and also depending on the video's traffic. If YouTube search is the major traffic source, consider making changes to the title and thumbnail, especially if the video is a searchable content. When the video's impression is soaring high and the click-through rate is stable, this is usually normal because YouTube is recommending the video to a broader audience, and many may likely not click to watch the video. These tips are fundamental. You can use them as a guide when checking your analytics. Other factors like external traffic might affect the outcome, but the tips are basic. So let me know this video was helpful by giving it a thumbs up, your thoughts in the comments, and also share the video to reach other creators. Thanks for watching. See you soon.